all are you good? Today let me start SST chapter number 13, the value of work. कहने का मतलब ये है कि कोई भी काम है, देखो यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स भी दी हुई हैं, हर काम की अपनी एक वैल्यू होती है, ठीक है, चाहे वो ऑफिस वर्क है, चाहे वो घर का काम है, चाहे वो कोई मतलब लेबर वर्क है, तो वैल्यू हर वर्क की जो है अपनी एक अलग वैल्यू होती है, ठीक है. सो लेट्स बिगिन. मीनिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. Human activities are all those activities which human beings undertake. So they are undertaken to satisfy human wants. So the main characteristics are undertaken by human beings to satisfy human wants, है ना. तो उससे जो है, जो इंसान चाहता है वो satisfy होता है. They continue throughout the life. They have a very wide range and they are done for earning money as well as personal satisfaction. है ना, अपनी जो मनी अर्न करता है वो अपने सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए. सो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी इकोनॉमिक एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक. जो एक्टिविटीज होती है कुछ इकोनॉमिक होती है और कुछ नॉन इकोनॉमिक होती है. सो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज क्या क्या हैं? इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर ऑल दोस ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज which are undertaken to earn a living and thereby satisfy human wants. So the main objective of economic activity is to earn income and create wealth. The characteristics of the economic activities are economic motive and productive creation of wealth. Economic resources, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Economic growth, legally valid. Examples of economic activities. These are the economic activities. Now let me read. Non-economic activities. Activities which are undertaken to satisfy social, religious, cultural, sentimental and psychological needs and requirements are called non-economic activities. So they are undertaken for the following considerations: love and affection, physical needs, social obligation, housewife, a person doing a work for hobby like gardening, fishing, painting and so on, work done for charity, personal satisfaction, religious obligation, patriotism and work done for personal satisfaction. Okay, so ये होते हैं नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. Types of economic activities. So let me now. Riya was excited to go to her uncle's house in the village of Desari. Okay. So on the way, she saw that a highway was being built near the village. गांव के पास जो है एक हाईवे बन रहा था, and the construction site was abuzz with activity. Large machines such as excavators and bulldozers were being operated by dedicated technicians. So Riya thought that she would be able to visit her uncle more often once the highway was ready, since it would take less time to travel there. है ना, बहुत कम समय में वो travel करके वहाँ पे पहुंच जाएगी. So happy with this thought, Riya ran to greet her uncle and to eat the delicious sweets that he had bought. ठीक है, they were joined by Riya's aunt who had just returned home from work. है ना, वो घर से, उसकी जो आंट है वो वर्क पे से घर आई हैं. She is employed at the village post office and is paid a monthly salary. In the evening after her office work, she also conducts online classes to help students prepare for school exams. She charges a weekly fee for these classes. ठीक है. Now, Riya's uncle is a technician in a construction company and operates a bulldozer. Okay, so he receives a monthly salary for his services. The next day, Riya's aunt woke up early to finish her share of the household chores and left to work. रिया की आंट जो है सुबह सुबह वो काम खत्म करती है पूरा घर का, फिर वो ऑफिस जाती है. On the weekend, Riya visited a local blackberry orchard with her aunt to have some delicious blackberries. There he saw Rahul, a farm laborer who was using a tractor to till a farmer's land nearby. So he earns a daily wage for his efforts. He gets some payment for his work in cash and the remaining part of the payment in the form of mangoes of equal value. ठीक है, फिर वो क्या करती है, शाम को जो है जाती है वो पास के बाग में, वहां से ब्लैकबेरी तोड़ के लाती है. वो वहां पे देखती है कि एक राहुल ए फार्म लेबरर है ना, जो उसमें फार्म में काम करता है, बगीचे में खेत में काम करता है. तो वो वहां पे काम कर रहा है अपनी अर्निंग के लिए. सो द blackberries that he receives as a part of his work are called payment in kind. So importance of non-economic activities. अब कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज हैं जैसा भी हमने पीछे पढ़ा था, पिछले पेज पे पढ़ा था कि नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. तो उसमें क्या होता है, इसकी इंपोर्टेंस क्या होती है. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर इंपोर्टेंट बिकॉज दे कंट्रीब्यूट to the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Personal well-being. Non-economic activities can help people develop a sense of self, express themselves, and find personal growth. They can also help people find a balance between work and life. ठीक है. Social chosen. Non-economic activities can help people form social bonds and relationships and contribute to social capital. They can also promote community engagement and cultural diversity. Quality of life. Non-economic activities can help people find leisure, recreation, and relaxation. They can also help people develop a sense of mental and emotional satisfaction. Cultural preservation. Non-economic activities can help preserve cultural heritage, traditions, and knowledge. They can also promote creativity and artistic expression. Social causes. Non-economic activities can provide opportunities for volunteering and philanthropy, which can help people make a positive impact on society. Concept of seva. Seva is a Sanskrit word that means selfless service. बिना स्वार्थ की गई सर्विस, काम, dedication to others. It is a concept that is prevalent in Hinduism, Sikh, Jainism, Christianity, and Buddhism. Seva is a major religious duty in Hinduism, where it is also known as Karma Yoga. Seva is a practice of serving others without expecting any reward or benefit. It can include voluntary work, mutual aid, or contributing to a religious community. Seva can be performed for the benefit of other people, society, or the environment. For example, you might perform seva by helping a hard dog, feeding a hungry person, or working to protect a dying plant. तो ये होती है सेवा. सेवा is a key code of humanity and is advocated by many religions. It is a way to implement service into all areas of life. So community participation. One Mahotsav is an important occasion to raise awareness about the benefits of trees and to encourage people to become more active in environmental conservation efforts. By planting more trees, we can help mitigate the impact of climate change, protect the environment, and promote human well-being. So the brilliant idea of reduce, reuse, and recycle directly correlates with contribution to answer global warming and foster nature. So Van Mahotsav is for those who love Mother Earth and also for those who are ignorant, because they will also get to enjoy the natural equilibrium between good environment, beautiful weather, and pleasant climatic conditions. Celebrate this festival is directly related to significantly contributing to increase the greenery of India and world around. Everybody in the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.